Hey everyone, down at the abandoned airport. We got a special Maiden that we're doing. Oh no, that's my plane.
Hey, camera here.
Where?
Hey, camera, film me, film me.
Oh, okay.
This is the plane.
All right. This
Film
is.
me. Come on.
Here with Pilot Roman, and he's going to tell you what do we got here.
It's the Sbach 342 from Dynam.
From Dynam.
Had to replace the elevator servo. It was crappy.
Yeah, he had a bad servo, so
it was flopping in the wind. I couldn't control it.
So we're going to do a re-Maiden. So everybody sit back and let's Pilot Roman do his thing.
Camera, elevator, water. Okay. Where you going? Camera here. Oh boy. Look it. Look at this. Okay.
All right, I'm going to get right up, get one close around it. I'll give you a good look at it.
Camera on the plane. Hey, film the plane. No, film the plane.
All right. Okay.
Come on, this is serious stuff here. This is for the viewers.
Ah, jeez, he's babbling.
So the viewers can see this nice plane.
All right, everybody, sit back. Here we go with the Dynam Sbach. Oh yeah.
Better. Oh, that's much better.
Oh, nice. All right, Roman's gonna start doing his tricks. Oh, nice.
Now I can't see the sun.
All right. Oh, there he goes with the 3D. Oh, nice.
High output. Have you put any trim yet? My warped elevator. Oh, beautiful.
Five minutes. 5. Wow, nice. Mm-hmm.
Okay, come in.
And he hit the camera.
Okay, film me. Film the camera. Film me. Film the plane. Film me. All right.
Okay.
Flies good.
The Dynam
Sbach.
Sbach.
Sbach. That's a piano player.
What does it run on?
It runs on the 4S. And that guy
And that guy?
runs a 4S 2200, shoved all the way up front.
2200 shoved all the way up front.
Got a gyro in there.
And the gyro. And the
Free Sky D
X6R.
X6R.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
finally. Flies good.
Flew well. All right.
Awesome.
Signing off from the abandoned airport.
No. Film me. Film me.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay,
Signing
viewers,
off.
This is it.